Why am I not making sales? That's a big question for beginning Amazon sellers. So let's talk about it. Hey, this is Rochelle and welcome to Multiple Passive Streams of Income. The most stripped down answer to the question, why am I not getting sales, is either you are not getting enough traffic or your listing is not resonating with buyers. Now, there are many ways to increase traffic, but Seller Central allows us to see a report that directly shows us the effectiveness of our listing. So this allows us to see data that can help us pinpoint if our listing is resonating or not. If we go to the Reports tab in Seller Central, then Business Reports. On the left menu, click Detail Page Sales and Traffic under the By ASIN section. Make sure you adjust your date range to capture the most time you can, and then look at each of your ASINs, and then also look at the unit session percentage column. This data tells us how many people out of 100 clicked on our listing and then decided to buy. So, how do we interpret the data? If you see 0 to 10%, this means your listing needs work. If you see 10 to 15%, this is a pretty good percentage when you're selling on Amazon. If you see 15 to 20%, that's awesome. And any percentage over 20%, you're kicking ass. So what if your ASIN is less than 10%? Well, this means your listing needs work. Look at your competitors' listings and see what they are doing. Look at their images, their titles, their bullet points, their descriptions. Combine all the best ideas you see and make those adjustments to your listing to increase your unit session percentage and ultimately sales. Now, I thought this was a great tip to share. I learned this from my AOE membership last week. And again, it's a great subscription-based continuing education. And it gives you access to a full Amazon private labeling course. Now, for about $60 monthly, you will continue to learn new and up-to-date strategies with this membership. And because it is subscription-based, the education has to be good and relevant, or people would just stop their subscriptions. If you are interested in continuing education at a reasonable price, check out AOE. The link is in the description below. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and please click the notification bell after you subscribe so you're notified when I drop videos. As always, thanks for your time, as I know you could be any other place right now. Take care.